Hey guys, just reporting there was a 3.0 earthquake that hit Monterey today. Monterey, a 3.0, but earlier there was a 2.8 magnitude that was reported in the same place. So it's a 2.8 and now it's a 3.0 in Monterey, which is north, sort of halfway between San Francisco and Monterey. So something to look at. 4 miles northwest of the Panacos. So we'll keep your eye on that and let you know what's going on.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.